topic is Islam and peace. Today I am going to deliver a very important message of Islam, which is at most the requirement of the time, because today Islam is bracketed with terrorism. In this speech, I am going to deliver and communicate for the whole mankind the global message of Islam, the message of peace, so the people around the world, whether they belong to any religion, any culture, any race society, they should know that